All right, this is just a quick down and dirty video of a Conrail SD80Mac Kato N Scale locomotive that's been converted to ESU LokSound. This one, there's no drop-in decoder for these. This one has a ESU Nano decoder installed in one of these new decoders that fit in there because it's narrow enough to fit in there with a bit of work. This unit basically involves taking a standard SD80/90 frame, the same thing. And what we did here, I'm not sure how well this is going to show up, is we machined off a section there so that the Nano can fit right there. And then a 15x8 sugar cube speaker can fit like so, so that fits like that in there. And then the wires are basically just run to this board. This is all isolated out. Traces are cut, so you have independent motor, which would be your gray, and your orange. That would be your orange, that would be your gray. Changed out the LEDs because these LEDs were terrible on here. Your motor pickup, or your track pickup, you're going to have your red and your black wire over here. After you isolate these tabs, you just use a Dremel with a cutoff wheel, slice that right there. Change the LEDs to much better LEDs. And then also I used auxiliary 1 and 2. You can't really see them, and I'm not taking this thing back apart because of the way that this thing's put together. Auxiliary 1 and 2 have 0402 SMLEDs on leads like this that are wired to the front ditch lights, because on the Conrail units, when the horn blows, the lights alternate. Basically, this is the decoder was programmed with ESU's sound file SO811, which is an EMD 710 20 cylinder, which is correct for the SD80Mac. And part number for the Nano decoder itself is 58923, but I'm sure you're all tired of hearing me talk, so I'm just going to go over here and I am going to hit 8, toggle sound on. I am going to move this out of the way because we no longer need that there. I'm going to turn on the lights, and I'm going to hit the ditch lights because they are separated out. You have to cut the light tubes and glue and splice, and I just hold everything together with heat shrink tubing. And there's those. And I'm going to honk the horn here so you can see what I'm talking about. It's kind of hard to see on film, but they do most definitely alternate. And we are off. And there you go, ESU V5 Nano installed in a Kato N Scale SD80Mac. I'll post pictures on my Facebook page with some of the still shots I took. I don't think I'm going to chop this into an entire video with all that. But hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.